Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi or Kids School channel, Sholapur. I am Nikita teacher teaching you social studies for grade 3. Yes children, in the previous session what we have learned in the previous session? Yes, we have learned about lesson number 6 only. Today also we are going to continue with lesson number 6. But in the last session we have seen some question answer task and we have seen some presentation, animation and some presentation and some question answers. Okay, and now in this session we are going to see with textbook exercise and some enrichment activity. Okay children, for that purpose what you are going to do, you are going to open your Canopy textbook. Okay, along with your Canopy textbook you are going to take pencil and eraser in your hand. If you have not taken book, come on, take the book, come on, take out the book fast with pencil, eraser. Okay, I will wait for a minute. Okay children, are you ready with your book, textbook, pencil and eraser? Okay, let's start with the textbook exercise. Okay children, now pick out page number what children? Page number 34. Okay, page number 34. Yes, first question what we are going to see? First question, yes, number 1. Let's see a question, that is fill in the blank. What is the first question? Fill in the blank. Okay, Mumbai is the new name for what? Mumbai is the new name for, previously Mumbai was known as, come on, give me the answer. Yes, correct, Mumbai is known as Bombay. Tell me the spelling children, come on, give me the spelling of Bombay. Yes, B-O-M-B-A-Y. Correct. Wrote children, what is the spelling of Bombay? B-O-M-B-A-Y, Bombay. Okay, let's see the next question. Mumbai is the capital of dash. Which is the capital? What is the Mumbai is the capital of? Which? Yes, correct, Maharashtra. Tell me the spelling of Maharashtra. Yes, M-A-H-A-R-A-S-H-T-R-A, Maharashtra. What is the spelling of Maharashtra children? M-A-H-A-R-A-S-H-T-R-A, Maharashtra. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Okay. Number 3. The film industry in Mumbai is referred to as. The film industry is also known as in Mumbai what? It is also known as film industry. Come on, give me the answer. Yes children? Yes, correct. Very good children. Yes, it is known as Bollywood. What is spelling of Bollywood? Come on, tell me. Yes, B-O, yes, double L-Y, yes, W-O-O-D. Very good children. What is the spelling of Bollywood? B-O-L-L-Y-W-O-O-D, Bollywood. The film industry in Mumbai is referred to as Bollywood. Next question. Dash and dash are two popular snacks of Mumbai. Which are the snacks? Which are the most popular snacks? Two snacks popular in Mumbai. Yes children? Yes, come on. Yes, Bhel Puri. Yes, again Bhel Puri, and which is the most popular? Yes, Vada Pav. What is the spelling of Bhel? B-H-E-L, Bhel, P-U-R-I, Puri. Bhel Puri and Vada Pav. What is the spelling of Vada? V-A-D-A, Vada, and Pav, P-A-V, Pav. Bhel Puri and Vada Pav are the two popular snacks of Mumbai. Next question. 5th, crude oil has been found in dash of the Mumbai coast. Where is the crude oil found? Yes, where? Yes, correct, Bombay High. Spelling of Bombay, as we have wrote on first answer only, Bombay, Bombay. High, High, high. Okay. Then children, have you wrote the answer? Yeah, I will wait for a second. Check whether you have wrote the answer. Okay, come on. Done children? Very good. Shall I erase the board? Thank you. Come on children, turn the page. Take out the next page. Take out the next page children. What is the next question? We are going to see. Match the pair. B question. What is the next question? Match the pair. In the first column what they have gave? Shrikhand, Juhu, Ganesh Chaturthi, Marathi and Kamla Nehru. Okay. In the next column what they have gave? Beach, language, sweet dish, park and festival. Let's see the correct answer. Okay. What Shrikhand is famous for? What? Yes, correct. What is the answer? Yes, Shrikhand is a sweet dish. Okay. Write here number 1 or either you can match the pair. Juhu. Juhu is what? Is it a beach or a park? Yes. Correct. It is a beach. What is the correct answer? Number 2 is beach. Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi was a language or a festival or a park? Yes, children. Correct. Very good, children. It is a festival. Write here number 3. Okay. Marathi. Marathi is a what? Yes, of course. It is a language. Write here number 4. Very good. As Kamla Nehru, as we have it, options are remaining only one, or obviously the answer will be park. Kamla Nehru Park. Very good, children. Let's see once again. Shrikhand, sweet dish. Juhu, beach. Ganesh Chaturthi, festival. Marathi, language. Kamla Nehru Park. Done, children? Wrote the answer? Okay. Now let's see the next question, that is answer the following question. Okay, whereas we are taking answer the following question in online session also, but we are providing you a notes also as a PDF. We will send you on a group also, all the notes we are sending on groups. Okay. Answer the following question. Now children, describe the climate of Mumbai. How is the climate of Mumbai, children? Come on, describe and tell me the answer. Yes, correct. Mumbai is warm and humid in summer and whereas pleasant in winter. Okay. Now next question. What are the languages spoken by the people of Mumbai? Which are the languages that are spoken by the people of Mumbai? Yes, children, come on, give me the answer. There are varieties of language that people are speaking in Mumbai. Which are those? Yes. Correct. Mumbai, Marathi. In Mumbai, which type of language they are speaking? Marathi, Konkani, Gujarati, Hindi, Urdu and English, and are main languages spoken here. Okay, understood? Now tell me, come on, next question number 3. Which are the industries based in Mumbai? Which are the industries based in Mumbai? Yes, come on children, tell me. Yes, correct. In Mumbai there are factories manufacturing like textile, medicines, oil, chemicals and electronic goods. Write 2 sentences about the Elephanta cave. What you are going to write? Only 2 sentences about Elephanta caves. Yes, as you know, about 10 km from Mumbai are Elephanta cave. Okay, there are 4 rock cut temples in this cave. Okay. Name 4 places of interest in Mumbai. Well, if you are planning to visit to Mumbai with your family, then where you will visit, which places you may have to visit, what are the interesting places in Mumbai? So many interesting places we have learned, but only you have to say any 4 names. Okay, like Gateway of India you can visit, Marine Drive is there, Kamla Nehru Park is there, Hanging Gardens are there, Jahangir Art Gallery and many more places of Many more places are there you can visit. Okay, next question. First I will erase this question B. Now let's see the next question, that is multiple choice question. Okay, see number 1. Mumbai faces the Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean or Arabian Sea? Where the Mumbai faces? Yes, correct. Arabian Sea. Yes. Bombay High is a high of mountain, an important oil field, a college in Mumbai. What is the Mumbai high of? Yes, it is an important oil field. The most popular festival of Mumbai is, which is the most popular festival of Mumbai is? Ganesh Chaturthi, B. Diwali and C. Navroz. Which is the most popular festival celebrated in Mumbai? Of course, Ganesh Chaturthi. A palace along the coast where ships load and unload goods is called. What it is called? Yes, children? An airport, a port or a factory? Yes, of course, it's known as a port. What is known as a port? Okay, take the correct answer. Okay, let us revise once again. Mumbai faces the Arabian Sea. Bombay High is an important oil field. The most popular festival of Mumbai is Ganesh Chaturthi, a place along the coast where ships load and unload goods is called a port. Okay, understood, children? Let's see the next question. That is, you are going to think and you are going to answer. Okay, now what they have asked the question, Kavya lives in Mumbai. Yes, where the Kavya, she lives in Mumbai. What kind of clothes do you think she wears? Yes, in summer and winter, what type of clothes the Kavya will wear in Mumbai in summer and winter? Yes, in Mumbai. Think and give me the answer. Yes, since Mumbai has a moderate climate throughout the year, Kavya will wear cotton clothes all around the year. Okay, understood? Next, we'll see up some enrichment activity. What we'll see, some enrichment activity. Understood, children? Let's see some enrichment activity. Speak out. You are going to speak out. What you are going to do in this activity? You are going to speak out. Imagine that you are in Mumbai. What you are going to imagine yourself that you are in Mumbai during the Ganesh Chaturthi festival. Suppose if you have visited Mumbai, during which festival? Ganesh Chaturthi festival. Describe what you saw to your what you saw, and you have to discuss with your classmate and speak around 5 to 10 minutes. Here is an activity about speak out. What you are going to do? You are going to imagine that you have went to Mumbai during which day? On the occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi festival, and you have to describe what you have seen, and you have to describe with your classmate. You are going to speak around how many minutes? 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. Now next task is about quiz. What you are going to do? You are going to prepare a 10 question for general knowledge quiz. What you are going to do? You are going to plan 10 questions for general knowledge quiz activity we will conduct. Okay. On city of Mumbai, we are going to conduct a quiz competition. Based on city Mumbai, we are going to prepare 10 questions about general knowledge and quiz your classmate on this question. We will have some fun. We will make 4 groups. Yes, but we are not here, that's why we can't make a group, we can't conduct this activity. Okay, then in this quiz what you have to do, we have to make a group, and per group have to make 10 questions on the quiz related to city of Mumbai. Okay, and we will have a competition about quiz activity based on city Mumbai. Okay, children, now turn the next page. Next page we'll see. Yes, it is a puzzle time. Are you ready with your pencil? Yes, of course you are ready with pencil only, pencil and eraser. Now let's see some puzzle time. Okay, clues. What they have gave clues? Down and across. First what they have gave? Street food of Mumbai. Come on, tell me street food of Mumbai. Yes children, street food of Mumbai. Starting with the word B. Sorry, street food of Mumbai. What is this? Bhel Puri. What is the spelling of Bhel Puri? B-H-E-L Bhel P-U-R-I Puri. Bhel Puri. Next, main language spoken in Mumbai. Which language is spoken in Mumbai? Two language most of the time they are speaking, like Marathi and Konkani. But the word start from M. That's why the answer will be what? Correct, Marathi. M-A-R-A-T-H Very good. Let's see some across crossword. Old name of Mumbai. What is the old name of Mumbai? Yes, come on children, give me the answer. Correct. Very good. Tell me the spelling of Bombay. B-O-M-B-A-Y. B-O-M-B-A-Y. Bombay. Okay. Next question. Famous caves near Mumbai. Which is the famous cave near Mumbai? Yes, yes, correct. Elephanta cave. What is spelling of Elephanta? E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T-A. Elephanta. Okay. Mumbai's famous beach. Which is the Mumbai's famous beach? Yes. Which is the famous beach of Mumbai? Yes, correct. Chowpatty. Yes, Chowpatty na children? Tell me the spelling of Chowpatty. Yes. C-H-A. Yes, C-H-A-U-P-A-T-T-Y. Okay, Chowpatty. Now next question we'll see. Right. Okay. You are visiting. What you are going to do? You write in right activity. You are visiting your aunt and cousin in Mumbai. Okay. You are visiting in Mumbai. At home whom you are visiting? Your aunt and your cousin. They show you the city and feed your different kinds of street food. Okay, they show the city and what type of different kinds of street food are there, and you have to write a letter to your friend back home describing what all you saw and ate. What you are going to do? You have to write a letter that you have visited in Mumbai to your aunt and cousins, with your cousins, and you have you have visited the Mumbai city, what you have done, what type of food you have, street food you have eat. You have to describe all the things in a letter, and you are going to write a letter to your friend. Okay. Find out who built the gateway of India and when. Yes children, I am going to give you a homework. Yes, that you are going to find out the answer, that who built the gateway of India and when. Yes. Yes children, who built the gateway of India? You have to find and give me the answer. Okay. And after whom is the atomic energy plant in Mumbai named? Okay. And next question, who were Chhatrapati Shivaji's and Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar? Okay. You have to find out these three answers when I will take a Google Meet. That time I am going to ask this question in meeting. Okay. That time I am going to ask these three questions. Okay. While conducting Google Meet. Okay. This is your homework. Shall I erase this? Well, okay. Next is what? Hands on. Hands on. Yes. Hands on, in what you are going to say in hands on? Work in groups and create a presentation on the city of Mumbai. What you are going to do here, which activity you are going to do, you are going to make a group and you are going to make a presentation on what? On city of Mumbai. You are going to make a presentation with the help of many groups, 4 or 5 groups you will do your own presentation on the city of Mumbai. Each group could deal with different topics. Okay, here are some suggestions. What are the suggestions? According to this suggestion you can create your presentation. What are those suggestions? We have to follow these points and we can do the presentation. Okay, make a chart to show the history of the city. What you can do, you can make a chart to show the history of the city Mumbai. Yes, you can create models of the famous tourist attractions of Mumbai using clay or Play-Doh. Even you can create a model of famous tourist places of Mumbai by using what? By using clay or Play-Doh. Okay, make a poster on the Mumbai film industry. Even you can make a poster on the Mumbai film industry. Okay, even you can collect information about the famous freedom fighters from Mumbai. Even you can collect the information about the famous freedom fighter from Mumbai. Okay, like Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Gopal Krishna Gokhale and Dadabhai Nauroji, and prepare a report. What you can collect the information of famous freedom fighters from Mumbai and you can prepare a report also on that. Okay, next see about life skill and values. Learning to read a map. What you are going to read? You are going to learn to read the map. In this activity also I am going to give you homework. Okay, what you are going to do? You are going to look at the map of Mumbai. You are going to open the map of India in Mumbai. You are going to open the map of Mumbai. If you are having a map book, you can open the map of Mumbai on page number 89. If you are not having, you can search on Google and you can see. And what you are going to do in this activity? Name a few roads of Mumbai. What you are going to do? You are going to write a few roads of Mumbai shown on the map. Yes, and try to get a map of your city or a town. And even what you are going to see, you are going to try to see a map of a city or a town where you are living and try to locate your area on the map. Are there any landmarks which help you locate your area, like a park, bus stand, water tank, school, market or roundabout? Okay children, understood what we have learned in the subject enrichment activity? Yes, what we have learned? We have learned so many points. What we have learned first in subject enrichment activity? We have discussed about speak out. In this activity what we have seen, you have to imagine that you are visiting to Mumbai during on which occasion? Ganesh Chaturthi. You have to describe and you are going to speak out for 5 to 10 minutes. Again we have seen some quiz presented. If we might be conducting Google quiz activity also. We have to make a group and along with that 10 group they have to prepare 10 questions. That's okay. On that quiz each group will prepare how many questions? 10 questions. Okay, next activity what we have seen, we have solved some puzzle time. And next what we have seen, write. What you have here, that you have visited your cousin in Mumbai and what you have eat, what different kind of places you have visited. You have to write a letter to your classmate and you have to describe about what you all saw and ate. Okay, and next what you have seen, find out. And this find out what I gave for homework. Wherever I am going to conduct a Google Meet, that time I am going to ask this 3 questions. Yes, and it is compulsory that all children have to find this 3 answer and give me the answer whenever I will conduct the Google Meet. Okay, and next what we have seen, hands-on. In hands-on also we have to make a presentation. Okay, and presentation on which topic? The city of Mumbai. And each group deal with different topic. Here they have give the clues. According to this, you can prepare a presentation about city Mumbai. Okay. And here we have discussed about life skill and values. Even I have gave you this for homework also. When I will conduct Google Meet, that time also I can ask you what you have read in the Mumbai map. What page number you are going to open? Page number 89. You are going to write some few roads names, few roads of Mumbai shown on the map. Okay. Understood what we have done with the today's chapter? Yes. Today what we have seen in this lesson? We have solve textbook exercise. What we have seen? Textbook exercise. We have done textbook exercise, subject enrichment, enrichment activity we have seen. Yes. And even we have read the lesson also. And what you have learned in this lesson? Let us revise once again. What we have learned in the lesson? As you know, Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra, and even Mumbai is previously named as Bombay. Yes. And what are the climates in Mumbai? Mumbai in summer season the climate is warm and humid, whereas in winter it is pleasant. Okay. And in monsoon it rains very heavily. Okay. And the Mumbai climate is moderate. Okay. And we have discussed about food. Which are the famous street food? Which are those? Those are vada pav, bhel puri and pav bhaji. And which is the famous sweet dish in Mumbai? Of course, Sweekhand. And even we have discussed about many festivals. Even Mumbai is celebrating all the festival. But though Mumbai is celebrating all the festival, but Ganesh Chaturthi is the most popular festival celebrated in Mumbai. Okay. Even language spoken. What type of language the Mumbai people they are speaking? Most of the people they are speaking which language? Konkani and Marathi. But even they are speaking other language like Hindi, Urdu, Gujarati. Yes. And many more Indian languages they are speaking. Yes. Even what we have discussed about tourist attraction. What are the tourist attraction? Once if you are planning to visit Mumbai with your family, you can have fun. What is the landmark of Mumbai? Yes, as you can see, a gateway of India, and you can visit so many worship temple like Siddhivinayak temple, Mount Mary Church, and even you can visit some interesting places like Marine Drive, SL World, Kamra Nehru Park, Jahangir Art Gallery. Yes, Hanging Gardens. Even you can visit so many beaches are there in Mumbai like Juhu Beach, Chowpatty. Yes. And even we have discussed about transport also. As you know, Mumbai is very busy city, where the people travel by buses and local trains. Yes. And Chhatrapati Shivaji International Terminal, Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport is the busiest airport in the country. As even we have discussed about industries and institution also. There are so many industries, there are so many factories like textile is there, then oil factories there, medicines are there. Yes. And electronic goods. Even we have discussed about some institution like BARC, that is Bhabha Atomic Research, and even we have discussed into the Indian Institute of Technology and many more. And even Mumbai is also famous for film city, and that film city is also known as Bollywood. Here we have discussed so many points in the Mumbai lesson. Yeah. In the next session what we are going to do? Already we have completed this lesson. In the next session we are going to start with the new lesson. Yes, that is lesson number 7. We are going to visit to Kolkata. Then already we have visited to Delhi and Mumbai. Now next session we are going to visit to where? We are going to see Kolkata. What are the famous places? What are the location? We are going to see in the next session. Yes children, till that time what you are going to do? I am going to give you homework. Once again you are going to read this lesson again. You are going to solve textbook exercise. Okay, and in the next session we will start with the new lesson. Till that time, bye bye, see you, thank you, take care.